Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to bring tradition and modern convenience to your kitchen, the legacy pre-seasoned cast iron Kadai with glass lid. This isn't just any pan, folks. It's a 2.4-liter, 22-centimeter vessel made from 100% pure, toxin-free, and rust-proof cast iron, and it comes with a handy glass lid and a safety sleeve. We're going to put it through its paces and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the star of the show, the cast iron itself. The biggest selling point here is that it's pre-seasoned. This means it's ready to go right out of the box, and it boasts a natural non-stick surface. In a world of chemical coatings, the idea of a pan that gets with use, developing its non-stick properties over time, is incredibly appealing. You're told you can use less oil or butter, which is fantastic for healthier cooking. The material itself, cast iron, is legendary for its durability and heat retention. This Kadai is designed to be rust-proof, which is a major concern for many people when it comes to cast iron. No one wants to deal with rust spots ruining their cookware. The description also emphasizes that it's toxin-free, which is a huge plus for anyone conscious about what's leaching into their food. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Kadai shape, with its rounded bottom and straight sides, is perfect for a wide range of cooking techniques. Think stir-frying vegetables, simmering rich curries, deep-frying pakoras, or even making traditional Indian sweets. The 2.4-liter capacity, with a 22-centimeter diameter, feels like a sweet spot for most home cooks. It's large enough to prepare a decent portion for a family, but not so huge that it becomes unwieldy or takes up excessive storage space. One of the thoughtful additions is the tempered glass lid. This isn't just a cover, it's a tool. It allows you to keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and releasing all that precious heat and moisture. Trapping steam is crucial for tender curries and perfectly cooked dals, and this lid helps achieve that. Handling cast iron can sometimes be a challenge, especially when it's hot. Legacy addresses this with the included safety sleeve. This provides a more comfortable and secure grip, reducing the risk of accidental burns. It's a small detail, but it shows they've considered the user experience from start to finish. So, what are the pros? The natural non-stick surface is a huge draw, potentially leading to healthier cooking and easier cleanup. The durability and rust-proof nature mean this is an investment piece that could last for generations. The versatility of the Kadai's shape makes it a workhorse in the kitchen. And the inclusion of the glass lid and safety sleeve adds significant value and convenience. However, no product is perfect. While pre-seasoned, cast iron still requires some care. You can't just throw it in the dishwasher. You'll need to hand wash it and dry it thoroughly to maintain that seasoning and prevent rust. Also, while the non-stick is natural, it might not be as instantly slick as a brand new Teflon pan. It develops its full non-stick potential over time with repeated use and proper seasoning maintenance. Cast iron can also be quite heavy, so if you have mobility issues or prefer very lightweight cookware, this might be a consideration. Finally, while it's described as toxin-free, some people are sensitive to the metallic taste that can sometimes come with cast iron if not properly seasoned or maintained. In conclusion, the legacy pre-seasoned cast iron Kadai with glass lid is a fantastic option for anyone looking to embrace traditional cooking methods with modern conveniences. It's built to last, offers a healthy and naturally non-stick cooking surface, and is incredibly versatile. If you're willing to put in a little care to maintain it, this Kadai will undoubtedly become a beloved staple in your kitchen, turning out delicious meals for years to come. Link in the description.